Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how I make skin creams because I thought, I don't know, it might be interesting to someone. This is what the final product looks like. Camera's having some problems, but this is what the final product looks like. It's just like a nice, very moisturising, natural, I don't know, moisturiser. It's quite a hard consistency. I don't really know how to describe it, but once you But once you warm it up in your hands, and then I usually just put it on my face at night time, and then I wake up and my face is like, bam, you know. But yeah, once you warm it up in your hands, it's fine. It spreads nicely. So first of all, I'm gonna wash my hands. Hands are washed. Now I dry my hands. Don't ask me what I'm wearing. Not that you can see me because I'm glittery. I look like a construction worker or something. Right, so first of all I need to weigh my ingredients. I don't know. Using this little drug weighing scales. So by the way, what I use is this lovely cocoa butter. It is organic and okay, it's not organic. It's not organic, that's the only thing it isn't, but it's vegan, vegetarian, 100% natural, cruelty free and GM free. And it kind of smells like chocolate, so that's cool. What else we got? Oh, I'm blurry as hell. Then we've got Shea Butter, I don't know how you say it. Not a lot left in here. Some people really like the smell of it. I personally love it. But a lot of people don't like the smell of it. I don't really know how to describe it. It's kind of like, some people call it a nutty smell. Let's turn these little weighing scales on. So I'll probably need, how much am I going to need? Not a lot actually, because I'm only doing one jar. So I'm going to chop this in half, chop it in half again. And then I've got this nice little plastic jug. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. You're chilling on my microwave right now. So I got these little weighing scales, and I put the jug on top of them and turn them on. And then this is the cocoa butter. Stick it in there. 64 grams. Now, I can't actually remember what the measurements are. You know what? It doesn't matter because I'm not making this as an official product. Interesting fact. This is actually a real product. I had to pay for it to be tested, and that cost a bit, and also I had to put it on this official website and have permission to put it on there, so it's an actual product. But for today, just so you can make it at home or whatever you want to do, I'm just gonna wing it. So now we're using the Shea Butter, I don't know how you say it, and I'm gonna just chop that bit in half. This is a lot softer. There she is. Stick that in there. That'll do, that's fine. This lighting is awful, oh my god. And I also use this natural vitamin E oil from a Naissance and Macadamia nut oil, also by Naissance. The Shea Butter and the cocoa butter were by the Soapery, in case you're wondering. And I just got those from Amazon. So I'm just gonna stick a few drops in here. That'll do. That's probably about 15 drops maybe of vitamin E. And then about the same amount of macadamia nut oil. Both are just very moisturising. Vitamin E is apparently known to brighten the skin and help reduce sun damage. So that's cool. It's used in a lot of different moisturisers. Macadamia oil not so commonly, but it helps to restore your skin's elasticity. So there's your science for today. So then, because I'm lazy, once again, this is just so you can do it easily at home, I'm going to stick this in the microwave for about a minute maybe. Okay, maybe longer than that, maybe like 2 minutes. And then wait till it's all melted. And I will see you when that's done. Let's gonna stick that in the microwave. Make sure you don't put any metal in there. I hope you know that. So we'll put it in for 2 minutes and see what happens. Please don't explode. This is my little weighing scales. They look like they're for something else, but let's not talk about that. This is my knife. Very nice. Don't worry, I'm not going to use that again now. This is my lens cap, just chilling. And there's the nut oil, vitamin E oil. All of this from Amazon you can get for you. Focus please. Shea Butter, cocoa butter, 2 little jars just in case it's too much for one. Let's do a little kitchen tour. This is my kitchen towel, very nice. This is a new blender that we got that is really cool, and I just like sticking all sorts of shite in there. This is a big blender. Wow. Has it been 2 minutes yet? No. What else have we got in here? Ooh. This is a big fridge.
I have to stand on my tiptoes to get anything out of the top of it, which is quite depressing. Hard life being 5'3".
Who's this little guy? Just, you right, mate? Spine's a bit broke. We've got a candle. That sounds nice. This little plant. Some more plants. Excuse the focus, I have to literally manual focus everything. Oh wow, good timing. We're back. Ah! Okay, it's been 2 minutes and let's stick that back on for another minute. Outfit of the day is brown beaded trousers from ASOS by Bushka. I have nothing else to show you now. I would play some songs, but I don't want to get arrested. Are we going to be done now? No, still not done. Okay. The shea butter is melted, but the cocoa butter is still just chilling. So I'm going to put it back in, maybe for 2 minutes again. This is really loud. This is what it looks like when it's done. I actually designed that logo. It's pretty simple, but
Gather product and melt onto your face.
so yeah, it's cute. This one is actually for my friend for Christmas, so I'm a bit late giving that to her. Oops. Sorry. She'll have it soon. Yes, these are some of my songs at the moment. Yes, this one I got from TikTok. Don't judge me. Paramore, great. This is just a throwback. This is a nice song. This is also a nice song, but kind of sad. That, I just kind of wanted to listen to a popular Spanish song because I wanted to learn Spanish. Harry Styles, you know. Okay, don't judge me. These are songs from the Tron movie, and I don't actually know why they're in here, but I like that song. It's good. I've got some old songs, and then I really like these. That one's good. Shut up, I'm trying to speak. This is a good song. So is that. This song. I actually got from a video by Catching, I don't know how you say her name, Kerosene? One of her videos where she dyes her hair. She reminds me of when I used to dye my hair every 2 seconds. So this is the current situation. It's just kind of like melted butter, because I guess that's basically what it is. It's also really hot now, so I'm sure that'll be fine. That's basically all there is to the mixing part. And then I'm just going to pour it into one of these little jars. Maybe 2, I'm not sure if I've got enough. I think it's 30 something grams in here. 37 grams to be precise. Just going to pour this into here. There we go, kind of looks like honey. We might be able to get 2 jars out of this, I'm not sure. Oh, we've got too much. Wow. Okay, so we've got 2 jars. Obviously this is my official product, so I'm not going to put a label on it. That is pretty much it, really. It's really easy to make. Using the microwave just speeds up the process. I used to use like a bain-marie to melt everything, but then I was like, just stick in the microwave. But that's basically just for the cream that I use myself, because I don't make many of them for people anymore. which is kind of sad, but yeah, if I like using it, I'm going to keep making it, you know. And it's really easy. There's only 4 ingredients to this one. You can use different ingredients like rosehip oil. There's like mango butter, I think you can get, or something like that. There's all sorts of vitamins. There's loads. If you look at the Naissance, I think we have a website, or just look on Amazon and just search like face oils or natural oils. There's all sorts of combinations you can use, as long as you use them in, you know, responsible amounts. Yeah, every ingredient in these you can use on your face on its own, so it doesn't really matter how much you put in, unless it's an official product that's been tested, and obviously you need to keep to these same weights every time, but these doesn't matter because I'm just making it for the lols. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. Just leave them in there till they harden all the way through. You might find that the inside of them makes a bit of a dent, but that's fine, it's still perfectly usable. It's just sometimes they don't harden evenly, so the inside stays melted too long, but that's okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna put these, get some of that oil off the top, put these guys in the fridge, and I will show you them when they are hardened.
Skin creams chilling in the fridge 2 centimeters apart because they might be gay, I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I probably would forget that those are in the fridge. So I'm just going to show you what this one looks like. Yeah, it just looks like that. It's just a creamy consistency. Not consistency. The colour of it is like cream. But the feel of it is more like a lip balm kind of feel. I don't know. But it's very moisturising and beneficial for your skin. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I need to stop doing that. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, it would mean a lot if you gave it a thumbs up, please. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!